All right. All right. I believe everyone can hear me properly, right? Sorry about what just happened right now. Let's quickly get right into it. Let's see what the market has to offer us and I'll call it a day. I don't want to stay here longer than 20 minutes in total. So the market, I believe you guys can see my screen, right? Yesterday was havoc. I was really looking forward to our review session in the night. Unfortunately, Coach ADC did not hold it. And just so I don't tramp on anybody's rules. It's always best to watch. It's always best to watch. Make sure that um, you do not tramp on another coach's rule. Yes, if you still are not going to have class because of you guys defaulted, I cannot go against their will. No problem, guys. That's what we have for today. So yesterday we took a loss on gold. I'm here to journal my trade. I'm going to do that now. Because after the trade yesterday, I was occupied with other things. If like you guys know, I'm a video editor and whatnot. Picked up the skill recently. Just basically something that does not what keep me on my charts every single hour of the day. Yes. And I'm beginning to fall in love with it bit by bit. You are not seeing my screen. Gift is saying she can't see my screen. Gift, can you see my screen now? Just looking at structure alone. If I don't, it's just looking at clear structure alone. We are very. There's really no need for me to complicate it. Okay, and it's clear as daylight. Gold shifted bullish. You may have not seen it when it happened, but you are seeing it now. Gold shifted bullish, meaning gold may most likely want to buy. Gold may want to start buying. I'm not sure. There is no certainty in this market, but there is that confirmation that gold is now bullish. But do not undermine that particular one. Now gold is bullish on the 4 hours time frame. And my only question is did gold tap into a major zone that can potentially push it higher? If yes, then I would advise we slow down on gold. Let me see. We have this daily demand zone here. I believe you guys have not done demand and supply zones yet. But they're basically similar to support and resistance. If we're looking to sell gold, I would be looking for gold to come. Let me see on my weekly time. What is gold doing on the weekly time frame? Okay. We're looking to sell gold. I'm looking for gold to come anywhere into four 4,400. Yes, if gold comes into 4,400, I can make it with decent sell, honestly. Gold should come into 4,400. And let's see how that goes. Let's see how that goes. Uh, let's see how that goes. Let's see how that goes. Yep. Let's see part of it. There is this part of it, right? The market is bearish and what's not. Guys, actually, so let's look for a sell opportunity on gold. If there is one, we'll take it. If there is none, we let it go. I'm not one who forces the market to give me anything. Honestly. So let's see. Does the market have anything to offer to me today on gold? On gold, does it have anything to offer me? If not, I'm just gonna walk away and go sleep or study or do something else. Actually, not sleep. Study. I have a lot of things to do. Okay, So both came into this level. This was where we should have bought from. I saw it this morning, but I was not interested because I didn't see my setup. Both came into this level, right? Upon getting to this level, we did all of this. I saw the market was here, and I could have easily rolled down with the market, but I chose not to. There's really no sound setup for me, like a good A plus setup for me on gold. So I'm really not gonna tell you guys to take a trade on gold yet, because gold is still in the oven. Yes, that's what CAT CHF has to offer us. I don't think I've made money off this pair in the last 4 to 5 months. Honestly, this pair has not paid me a dime in 4 months now. In 4 months, instead, it has taken from me. This paid me earlier this year, but they've not paid me anything so far. Like, I'm just keeping them on my work list because I already made a with my friend that so I'm only going to trade 5 pairs the rest of this year. Let me see my profitability for that five for the rest of the year. Um, that's just what the market does basically. This guy is bullish. Abi, it's bullish or no, it's bearish rather. It's bullish. Forgive me, it's bullish. Now, price wants to buy, but the problem with this pair is that it's one of the most cocky ass pair that exists. It knows how to delay, but now sometimes delay is necessary because when delay leads to liquidity sweep, we want to see that kind of delay. Now, price has tapped into daily demand zone. Again, we know that price is bullish. We're in discount zone, right? Now we're looking forward a shift in 4 hour structure and whatnot. A shift in 4 hour structure and whatnot. Price cleared this low, but clearly did not um, price cleared this low clearly, but did not close below. That's the beautiful thing. That's what I want to see. Now this is I believe I'm seeing a setup on CAT CHF. Ah, first time in a long time. It's a good thing I'm seeing a setup here, guys. But I believe we can mark out for our the internal structure as bearish though. Internal structure is still somewhat bearish, I would say. Let me see. Let me see. Nope, 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 nope. Nothing like that. All right, so let me see. I would say this was the last high. It took out this low. So this low was taken out yesterday was the low. This was the high. This was the low. This was the high. Yeah. What's wrong with my charts? This was the this was the high here, right? This was this was the low. This was the high. This was the low. I believe I am right. This was the high here. So the lower low. Right there is put there more high. And price has shifted bearish again. So if price even wants to sell, price has to come to premium price, which is above here to sell. But I know price is going to break above, I'm sure of it. But price has to come here. So meaning this buy here is actually my head. Why do I feel so stressed out in my head? Okay. Okay. All right. So look at this, everyone. Look at this, everyone. Look at this, everyone. So we have markets. We have the market doing this. We had this drop. We had this high. We had this drop. We had this high. We had this drop. We had this high. We had we had this drop here. We had this high. We had this drop. We had this shift. All right. Um, please, I need to confirm that you guys have actually been attending classes. So please, because you see, all we are doing here is like we are playing. This is not this is not really the meeting. The meeting is those classes. These ones are just let us see if we will mess. The market has been acting funny, but we should make money. I'm not gonna lie that the market has not been funny. It has been funny. I'm not gonna lie, but we should make money. We just have to make money. Like there is nothing else we can do but to make money. Nothing else we can do but what? But to make. Nope, nope, nope. There is no setup here, guys. There is no setup here. But I'm gonna keep a close eye on it though. see what price does when you get there. The setup is not really, it's not really so sad. I don't like it. I need to be closer a bit. That's for that. UGP, let me see. Nah, this pair is nasty. It's a nasty pair, guys. Like, it's a nasty, nasty, nasty pair. See, it's buying. But when we're looking to buy it, this pair is one of the most annoying pair that exists. I don't want to even trade it for now. It's in one very annoying range. I don't want to be involved in it. I was looking to sell GJ. There was no clear setup last week. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. It's still in a very funky level where I don't want to trade from. GBUSD. GBUSD, I was looking for a sell. Now, okay. I may be looking to buy GBP today. Uh, Once I step into my buy zone and I didn't even notice it. Wow. Once I step into my buy zone, guys. Once I step into my buy zone, step into weekly demand zone and what's into my buy zone. Once I stepped into my buy zone. Is anything backing this level? Something is backing. So I'm looking at buying GBP guys. I'm looking at buying GBP to the upside. I don't think there will be another one USD later this week. I doubt it. I'm looking at buying GBP looking at buying GBP CP. All right, so let's buy GBP Buy GBP now. Stop losses. Stop losses. Let's protect. We're targeting one is to TV. So if you open with $9, about give or take $27 back. If you open with 0.02, that's about $18 if you are wrong. You should be making about 50 something dollars back. But I mean, this is what I'm looking at from GBP USD today. I'm buying GBP USD right now. Not looking. May want to drop to this lower level, which I am seeing. That would be a refinement trade, a refined trade. Now there's another entry here, which is valid, I will not lie to you guys. Yes, and price may want to come into that entry here. This is the influence somewhere around here. Somewhere around it. I'm going to use person. So if this is my and to be honest, it's somewhat valid. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Everything is so on point. So if we are okay with trade leaving playing out, it's shoot up from there, honestly. If you're okay with trade leaving you, if not, I believe I would say let's just take a trade. Or okay, no, let's just take a trade off this level. But the trade may leave us, honestly. It may most likely leave us, but I mean, it's just what it is. So this one gives us smaller risks to reward, smaller risks. Yes. Well, ideally, some people will be targeting one is to six with this trade, 33 pips to make 200 pips. Well, I really don't have the energy to deal with all of that. I'm not targeting one is to kill. So I'm buying GPUSD any more movements from now. But let me quickly set my trade on my Really set my trade, and let's see how it goes. Let me quickly set my trade and let's see how it goes. Let me quickly set my trade and let's see how it goes. My entry is at 32. My entry is at what? 32. 033. Mm-hmm. My stop loss is at 31.70. 31.70. All right. Okay, let me add another position. Open with a one standard lot. Entry at this point. Let's sell at this point. TP at this point. No, let me change it. 0.9. Oh, too much. 0.7. I'll about like, yes, this is good. So I've set my entry. I'm in the trade. Once price gets to my entry, I will get you guys will see the trade. Uh, that should be all for that for today, guys. It's really not in the market, and I really don't want to force it. So, if you have any questions, drop it in the comment section within the next 1 minute. We're about to wrap up today's session and call it a day. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. We are gonna attend to it. If you have none, then there is no problem. We call it a day. In the evening, we're gonna come together to review this trade and see if it played out or if it did not play out. All right, guys. To be seen in the evening, I'm gonna say for now, bye. Stay happy, stay blessed, and let's have a beautiful day ahead. Yes. Bye, everyone.